She wasn't careless. She wasn't ignorant. She did what she had been told would protect her future. But sometimes, even when you try to do the right thing, life itself answers differently. There is this friend of mine that called me one early morning, trying to explain the kind of issues she's going through. So while calling me, she's already in her husband's house. But the story is this. She told me about the guy she was dating before she met the person that got married to her. She had been in this particular relationship for about 7 months. And when someone who was ready to settle down with her came, she made a choice to move on. Although the breakup with her ex was calm, they understood each other and parted on good terms. Before saying goodbye completely, they shared one last unprotected night together. That same night, she took an emergency contraceptive pill, thinking it would protect her. She thought she had done everything right. 3 months into the new family, at the new home where she is now, she found out after a scan that she was 3 months pregnant. The one thing is sure, any girl who is pregnant today should know or will know who got her pregnant. So, understanding that this particular person she got married to, when she even met the man, she was on her period. And after 1 month of being in that house, she still saw her period the next month. So when she went for scan and found out that she was 3 months pregnant, she was confused. So the whole thought was, are you sure that this particular contraceptive pill I took worked? That was a big question. It was so difficult for her to even relate this information to anybody, but it was clear that the pregnancy she's carrying does not belong to the man she is married to, but belongs to her ex. So I was now more confused when she told me that she is 3 months pregnant. And again, also said in her husband's house, she also saw her period twice. I said, how can you be pregnant and also see your period? So I further asked her, was the bleeding lighter or it was like your normal period? So she told me that the bleeding was lighter a bit than her normal period. So immediately she said that my mind went to the fact that that blood might not really be her period, but implantation bleeding, since it's lighter. That means the 3 months gestation might be true and belong to her ex-boyfriend. Now the big question is this: does this emergency contraceptive pill really work? Does it really? This is an issue of particular concern, because I have seen so many persons coming to my if 50 girls call me or come to the office or chat me up that they are pregnant, most of these young girls, they will still tell you that they took emergency contraceptive immediately after the sex. Does it really mean that these emergency pills do not work again? Or is it the mode at which it's been taken, or the time at which it's been taken? Note, she is 3 months pregnant for someone else, that's her ex, and she's already in her husband's house. She's left with so many options. She doesn't even know what to do at this moment. In tears, she told me that she cannot stay in the same house, confusing the husband or telling the husband lies, or even seeing a child whom she is sure is not the husband's child. She can't live with that kind of trauma. And the baby is already 3 months. The husband is not aware of what is happening. In fact, the husband even thinks that the baby is his. She is the only one who knows the truth about this whole matter. Assuming you are in her shoes, what would be your next option? What is your own advice to this young lady? Write it on the comment section. I remain your favorite lab doctor.